Francis Kioni niwe wiyukitie hotani mbĩtĩka-inĩ cia golfu ikereka-inĩ rĩa gatatũ rĩrĩa irũgamagĩrĩrwo nĩ bengi ya DTB. Mũthaki ũyũ wa kĩrabu kĩa Naikuru endekithĩtio hotani na pointi 38 na kũmatoria athaki angĩ igana rĩmwe rĩa 50. Nakuo mwena wa Nyarari, mũthaki wa kĩrabu o kĩu kĩa Naikuru Linda Munyao andĩkithia pointi 36 akĩiyũkia ũhotani ũyũ.
We have played a very lovely golf. Actually, I got 2 club at hole number 4, so I know I'll get some prizes here. And a long drive, I think I was the longest on hole number 2. I had the longest drive. And I'm happy for DTB having sponsored this wonderful game. It is well sponsored, well attended. Those from class 4, 5 are eligible even to join our club. They can come and they will be trained. We have very good trainers here, and we have many of them. Some of them now are playing professional golf. We have one that is by the name Kerago, who is now shining. He's in South Africa, I think. So our youth are really doing good.
Being among the ladies who play here, the club ensures that ladies and men who play golf, they have equal opportunities. We need to recruit more ladies to the golf, because the number of ladies versus the number of men in the club, I think ladies are a bit few.
Things you see, Kenya is a very sporty country, and globally we are known to be a sporting nation. Golf, as you know, is not just the only sport we support. We support several sports, but golf, we have the Western Circuit that we have been supporting, and the Nakuru one is very critical for us because, you know, Nakuru, DTB has a very long history with Nakuru. We have been here for several years. I meet people, for example, who were getting support from DTB in the 70s.
Na athaki a timu ya bũrũri wa Kenya